Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix when brightness control function keys are not working in Windows 10 or 11. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Restart your computer. To do this, save your any ongoing work. After that, click on the start icon, choose the power icon and just simply click on restart option from there. Step 2. Check for any hardware issues. Issues like external keyboard test. For instance, if you're using a laptop, connect an external keyboard to a device and check if the brightness control keys on the external keyboard work or not. Or inspect your laptop keyboard. If you suspect a problem with your laptop's keyboard, carefully cleaning it and check for any physical damage or debris that might be obstructing the function keys. Or update your drivers. Ensure that your keyboard drivers are up to date by visiting the manufacturer's website or using the Windows update. Step 3. Check if the function key is enabled or not. For this, press function key and escape key at the same time to make sure it is turned on. This will turn on off the function key. Step 4. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For this, display the run dialog box by pressing the Windows plus R key. In the run box, type msdt/exe/id device diagnostics and press enter. After that, click on next to simply run the troubleshooter. Step 5. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. For this, open settings by pressing Windows plus I together. After that, select the system tab and click on the troubleshoot option. Then click on other troubleshoots. After that, click on run in front of the keyboard troubleshooter option. Step 6. Update your keyboard drivers. For this, press the Windows key plus R to open the run box. After that, type devmgmt.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the keyboard section. After that, right-click on keyboard driver and just simply choose uninstall driver. Make sure to uncheck the delete the driver software for this device option in the pop-up if it shows up. After that, go to the top menu Device Manager and under the Actions tab, just simply select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back. If it does not, just don't worry. Just simply restart your PC and it will appear back. After that, again right-click on the keyboard driver and choose Update Driver. And select Search automatically for drivers. Window will automatically scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, just simply restart your PC to apply the changes. Step 7. Turn off the filter keys. For this, open the control panel, select the large icons from the drop-down menu next to View by clicking on it. After that, select Make the keyboard easier to use option by clicking the Ease of Access Center button. After that, turn on filter keys marked with a checkbox and uncheck it. After that, click on Apply and OK. Step 8. Check for Windows updates. For this, press Windows plus I key to open the Windows settings. Click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left-hand side menu. After that, click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for and install any available updates. After the updates are installed, just simply restart the computer and check if the brightness control function keys are functioning correctly or not. Step 9. Uninstall the recent Windows update. For this, go to Windows Settings, click Windows Update from the left-hand side menu, then go to Update History and just simply click on Uninstall Updates. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.